Hi guys, in this video I'd like to show you the latest features of Hardcuts Beta 0.7.2. One of the biggest additions is a large collection of new default assets in the Asset Explorer. You can preview each model simply by hovering the mouse over the thumbnail. You can also use the search box to quickly find assets, for example by searching for tires. Once you've found what you're looking for, just drag and drop it into the scene or double-click it to add it instantly. We provide new assets for each version. Another great new feature is the quick 90-degree rotation in the Rotate gizmo. Just click one of these buttons to rotate the selected object by 90 degrees around the corresponding axis. This makes it much faster to align your objects in the scene or to other objects. In this example, I rotate the tire and move it to the side, then add another asset from the Asset Explorer and rotate it again, move it into position and scale it down a bit, like this. As you can see, building up your scene with this feature can be incredibly fast and intuitive. Another one is the box selection of multiple objects. Just hold the Ctrl key down and draw a box around the objects you like to select. Then you can, for instance, copy and paste them using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I do this here for these two objects, move them to the left, and then again use the 90-degree rotation for the inner object. The rotation feature has also been added to the Shape Rotate gizmo, making it much more convenient to create new objects from shapes. Here I'm adding an axle to connect the two tires. First I align it, rotate it, and then press Ctrl left click to create the object. Okay, now I again box select the whole thing, copy and paste it, and move the copies over here. Very fast and simple. Now how about adding some seats? We have them as default assets. Just add them to the scene and move them into position. We can also search now for a steering wheel and add it to the scene. This one, for example. Then I move, rotate, and scale it till it fits. To extend the model with custom shapes, we can use 2D shapes like the circle, align it to the backside of the wheel, then change the type to add and extrude it like this. Again, Ctrl left click and the object is created. So I'm sure you get the idea how to create models with these tools. Another one that I want to show you is the gear tool. You find it here in the shape section. It has a bunch of parameters that we can change. For example, the number of teeth, the thickness, radius, bore radius. And again, to create the object, just Ctrl and left click into the viewport. The same tool we have for creating screws, also a shape tool with parameters that we can adjust before creating the object. Alright, the last new tool I want to show you is the rig tool. I'll drag this asset here into the scene for demonstration and select the rig tool here in the tools section. With this tool you can create something similar to bones to an object, allowing you to deform and transform it. I simply click at different positions on the object and a node will be created at each location automatically centered inside the outer surface of the object. These nodes are then connected by bones. Now I'll switch the behavior to bend and rotate a node's gizmo, and as you can see this node isn't affecting the entire piece of geometry, so I'll increase the area of influence for it. And now I can bend the object like this. It's very similar to rigging in a traditional animation software, but directly inside Hardcuts. Then I press apply or Ctrl left click and the object is deformed. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video and the software Hardcuts that you can get from our website. Here you can see the changelog. The link is in the description below. You can buy the alpha version now, and all future updates for beta and release 0.x are free of charge. Thanks for watching and happy cutting.